Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Oh, that's good. Today we are going to miss you guys.
Yeah.
They're going back to India.
Yeah, going to India, guys.
Yeah.
It was very, very nice journey to be with you guys here in the United States. Going back to India today.
இந்தியா கிளம்பிட்டோம்.
Oh.
5 மாசம் ஆச்சு வந்து இருந்துட்டு அவன் தம்பி வீட்டில் புறப்பட்டான்.
I'm already crying. I'm missing them already. They've been staying with us for 4.5 months. So this morning the kids wake up and they were hugging them before they go into school. So this was really, really great opportunity to stay with them here in the United States. They had a great time. I hope you guys have a great time here in the United States.
அமெரிக்கா சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சு.
ஐயா வீட்டில் நல்லா சந்தோஷமா
இருந்தான். சாப்பாடு டெய்லி பிரியாணி. இந்தியாவோட மருமகன் நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கிட்டாங்க. நல்லா பேர பிள்ளைங்களும் நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிச்சுங்க.
So yeah, we are getting ready to drive to Houston right now. Appa is behind the scene right now recording, but we're gonna take along with you guys to Houston. All right. Alright guys, we're here at the Houston airport. Finally we are reaching their destinations, ready to go to India.
They're leaving, guys, after 5 months, almost 6 months. They are leaving. We are very sad.
Yeah. Tata, Appa, we're gonna miss you guys a lot. Yeah.
ஏர்போர்ட்ல இருக்கோம். இந்தியா கிளம்பிட்டோம் இன்னைக்கு.
Go use your turn.
இந்தியா வாங்க. கையில் செலியா திரும்பி
Take care. Bye.
பாய்.
Say bye already.
My dad is crying too.
Take care of yourself. Okay.
Hey guys, kind of sad news. Not sad news. My parents, we just dropped them at the airport. They're going to India. We're kind of sad, and and they were sad as well. We came to the restaurant where we ate first time.
Yep.
And they were here. And I was telling them we can eat before they go.
They didn't want to eat.
They don't want to eat. I carry some food. They don't
I think it's a good idea because when you travel long distance and eat, sometimes it's not comfortable.
I probably call them when like in the Dubai time, what time they're gonna go. But before we go, it's gonna take like maybe 10 o'clock. We're gonna get some food or buy some food.
Yeah.
Before we go to San Antonio, we are in Houston anyway.
It was very emotional.
Yeah. Everybody cried.
Yes.
Hey guys, the same restaurant. We're sitting down when my parents we came first time.
The flight is gonna be boarding in 1 hour from now, so everything was 6:20. Around 6:20. So everything was really great. They have a a service that will take care of them until they go into the flight.
Yeah, they have a what do you call it?
wheelchair assistance, so that helps so much. And we're just here taking a break so we can head to San Antonio. We have about 4 hours driving.
Yeah, we're gonna get something to eat before we leave. You know, we don't want to look for a restaurant in the nighttime.
Yes, it was a long drive. We left San Antonio around 11
9:30
o'clock,
or 10
like
o'clock.
9:30, 10 o'clock. And we hit the traffic. It was really heavy traffic, so we didn't get a chance to go to the restaurant with them. So we got here in Houston like around 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so literally, and they didn't want to eat, so they were like, we don't want to eat anything. Yeah, so we're just here taking break, eat Indian food as always. We love Indian food. And hey,
I mean, I like African food too, but we never get a chance to eat that.
we're gonna start making African food so we can share that with you guys. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, okay?
We'll show you guys
And,
some the footage of the food, of course.
Yes, stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, the biryani, it's so delicious. I find out that every time we go to the Indian restaurants, there is always different biryani. Ram knows how to order them. I always confused which one is which one. But yeah, this restaurant in Houston has really great food, and if you happen to live in Houston, feel free to check it out. This place really great. We can leave the link down below and you can just double check the address. It's really great. As you guys can see, we love Indian food. This is one of the best Indian food so far that we have tried. As you guys know that Ram knows how to cook. He's one of the best chef in my life. Alright, like, share and support our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.